I'm Carly Gibson with RE/MAX of Nanaimo. I'm here in this beautiful backyard. You can hear the birds chirping and the sun is shining. Today is the perfect day to check out this beautiful little patio home. Welcome to 449 Gail Place. This super cute 2-bedroom, 1-bathroom patio home in Nanaimo's growing University District. Whether you're looking to downsize, get into the market for the first time, or invest in a great rental, this spot has a ton going for it. Since this is an end unit, you get a larger outdoor space than most. It's private, green, and super usable. It's also pet friendly. Inside, there's a cool wood feature wall that adds a cozy, stylish touch. You're just a short walk from all levels of schools, including VIU, and minutes from parks, shopping, and downtown. If you're after a quiet, convenient home with rare outdoor space, this could be just what you're looking for. Book your showing today.